to Mini Minds Learning.
Welcome to Mini Minds Learning.
Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn consonant blends. Blends happen when 2 or 3 consonants come together and we can hear each sound. We will explore beginning blends, ending blends, and triple blends. Are you ready? Let's go! Beginning consonant blends. 2 consonants together at the start of a word. Both sounds are heard. B, oo, boo, like blue, black, block, blanket, k, ooh, cool, like clap, clock, cloud, clean, ooh, full, like flower, flag, fly, floor, g, ooh, goal, gas, glue, globe, glow, p, ooh, pull, like plate, plant, play, plum, ooh, slow, like slide, slow, sleep, slipper, burr, like bread, brush, brown, bridge, cur, like crab, crow, crown, cream, drr, like drum, dress, drink, dragon, fur, like frog, fruit, frame, fresh, grr, like green, grass, grape, ground, purr, like princess, present, proud, print, like train, tree, truck, tray, like school, scarf, scooter, scale, like sky, skate, skin, skirt, like smile, small, smell, smart, like snake, snow, snack, snail, sp, like spoon, spider, spin, sport, st, like star, stop, stone, stick, su, like swing, swim, sweet, sweep. Great job! We did not say letter names. We used sounds. We stretched the sounds and blended them together. You are amazing readers!
Watch more fun videos on Mini Minds Learning. And don't forget to like and subscribe.